Unveiling Richard Serra. How did that massive steel sculpture get into LACMA? Let's talk about Richard Serra's monumental sculpture, Band, a colossal steel masterpiece widely considered one of the highlights of his career. This work isn't just an extension of Serra's signature curved steel plates and torqued ellipses. It's a 2.5-year labor of love, standing 12 feet tall and stretching an impressive 70 feet in length. Even by Serra's go big or go home standards, Band is an absolute giant. But there's the million-dollar question: how on earth did something this massive get inside LACMA? Luckily, LACMA's Board Contemporary Art Museum was designed with oversized sculptures in mind. Both the first and second floors feature massive barn doors that allow monumental artworks to enter seamlessly. But even with this clever design, installing Band was an engineering feat worthy of its own exhibition. First, the sculpture's individual steel components were loaded onto the flatbed trucks and transported from the fabrication site to the museum. Upon arrival, the pieces were temporarily placed on the museum lawn, just like guests waiting to check in. Then came the real magic. Industrial cranes carefully hoisted the hefty corten steel panels and maneuvered them through the first floor barn doors, lowering them into position inside the gallery. Despite the complexity of the task, the installation was completed in just a few days, a testament to meticulous planning and some very skilled crane operators. Once Band was fully assembled, LACMA closed those massive doors and disguised them as part of the wall, seamlessly integrating them into the museum's architecture. If you've ever wondered whether Serra's weathering steel sculpture aged differently indoors versus outdoors, the answer is a resounding yes. Corten steel develops its distinctive deep brown patina as it oxidizes over time, forming a protective layer that prevents further corrosion. Outdoors, exposure to rain, humidity, and air quality speeds up this process, creating dramatic surface variations. Indoors, however, in LACMA's carefully controlled climate, oxidation slows to a crawl, keeping Band looking relatively stable compared to its outdoor counterparts. LA Art Decode. Art Decoded, Perspectives Unfolded. I'm Lisa, your Los Angeles curator. See you next time.